just sending me messages, sending me court proceedings in no catch me say with no information say Ibrahim Mahama and the President Mahama out of offense now almost someone friend of mobile opposition. They have concluded say our man o sentence no na eye me mo so say o be phone so share one ka be chire o ana betuma say no o ka chire me say what there reliable information say you be jail 20 years.
Wetie ankofo bebre na so niema APP ba na ehu wo bi te say Canada Japan otia ne na so wo bi te say alanchremanten yesi ono ye ama alanchremanten fi MPP Paul Afoko ni Canada whatever Japan one ye ma mu film na according to sources ni o ye say wo de ni wurama no no abobon na ase anu ayi. Hello, baby. I'll be amidin check a cinema. The name is Ben Bro. So subscribe it. Me the two mana. We'll send you a big fe. Chama Wontumi. I say okọ prison no. Your command fufu. Amu nim se fufu no ebe nyinya. E ho fridge ni ho nti. Mo aduane am command nyina no. Mo ma no akpe na to. Na no de 1000 years na e shem. Yera Chama Wontumi. It has been what unveiled. Said 48 hours to the time and not judgment in no name. So by them 20 years. Lawyer be a sabi any more Ghana panwaka. You put lawyer and Banyaba Yabekasa.
Oh my, and something mine now.
Okay, lawyer, number chapumbo code.
I do not hear Pumi pa.
Then Yamiase. Now, lawyer said no one better Wontumi issue. My person bisa general comment of it. How do you see the whole proceedings, Nina?
I think say there is something that Ghanaians didn't know. A day now, you bet sentence Wontumi no. And a panel around 3 a.m. So I want to know to me that on night, just sending me messages, sending me court proceedings in no catch me say. With no information say Ibrahim Mahama and the President Mahama out of offense now. Almost someone friend of mobile opposition. They have concluded say our man o sentence no na eye me mo so say o be phone so share one ka be chire o ana betuma say no o ka chire me say what there reliable information say you be jail 20 years they me share me I'm say chairman I saw that okay na case ebe command judgment here. Normally the judge we answer na judge bisa say odi for na judge bisa so be convict you but no no masem na bia mo olai se jina so akasa nti homo na ebe convict judge no judge be decide whether more 1 year 2 years or 3 years but say ubenya information judge ma 20 years there no so mo ban in chain and go mo be body pool mo be jinsika no more than 2 days say ma on court cause near yak ye say okokota ni lawyer na de kata ko judge be bugu na judge bugu pena obe read judgment no na obe 20 years into no ono jima 20 there let me catch say one ne no any ho and this one kwa judge no be issue bench warrant na obe declare wanted no obe reading judgment no in absence into definitely no it doesn't make any difference but o de on fa ku drunko no say any lawyer me kwa me na da me babium and tell me kono na you ready me 8 na ko na matra me ni me instead me kwa me say the ebe but my prepare me says psychologically. When you say from 3 o'clock to Manda, and I was like, wow, tell me what are you telling me? And you know, the last message to me, they say, oh, do court no. One say, sorry, the video na a channel.
Yeah.
Okay. No, they say me say, lawyer, me do court no. Na me so. But so ya di bakumame. No see, lawyer.
You're a lawyer, Apaw no kasa no, or patch say 48 hours to the time and never be jail Wontumi no. Now he was aware. Ghana. Funny times are ahead. Pacho nima Nansi na me hu say Wontumi say wati ankofo bebre na so wati ankofo bebre na so niema APP ba na ehu wo bi te say Canada Japan otia ne na so wo bi te say Alanchremanten yeso no ye ama Alanchremanten fi MPP Paul Afoko ni Kennedy whatever kwabene Japan one no ye ma mu fi mu na according to sources you and say what the new rama no abobon na ase anu ayi all these people allegedly no omo yen confirm maboa ye rachema Wontumi before baby na owo mase no ayi omo fi mu na wiase yese wo frudua omo awusia no wo sane omo na awusia yet threats bebre especially from Alanchamantia no di Wontumi ho yawo yet e bi so fi ye Canada Japan wa odokra de otro tantrums e ka say baby adu no obekire Wontumi nyansa Nancy aso me te say yes ye rajoba bakra what to be mane na ensensem ya na wo ntem no na ehurugya na no de say ehwe a wa hwe ya na te say jantem no e concocted me pa chaw mitimi kasa eye court of competent jurisdiction na man sa judgment no mitimi kasa but where food for thought say yes na ye wo no baby a wudidi na ense ho ena se wo kwaso akai kofe ofem because some omo fam omo no mu history a ometimi ayusu to what destroy you and some no de chema Wontumi say na ekone de appeal no kra mate say yes e amfa according to sources mate say yes appeal no en carry weight ti amfa and na mo so amonim no cases e ho 5 ba ko pa de adi ti aka 4 yes 4 no kra de so che ni aka no it we nyina ye niam a ye bedi a kire na the long run ya hwe say ye ra Wontumi obepia no mpie Chama Wontumi woni MPP mu a MPP bebo Xposed. Remember Bruce subscribe share. But it's too bad as I can be bad.